Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Skype subscription, whether that be for minutes or just any subscription on Skype. I'm going to show you how you can cancel that plan. So you want to come to Google and you want to type in Skype, and you want to head over to www.skype.com. and once you're on the Skype website, you're going to need to sign into your Skype account. I would recommend you do it on the Skype website, it's much easier. I'm already signed in here. I'm just going to log out and re-sign in so you can see what that looks like. So when you're on the Skype website, click on sign in, click on my account, and then you just want to sign into Skype. Okay, so now we're signing into Skype, we can go to the back end of the account and then just cancel the plan. So when you're signed in, it's going to look something like this. You just want to scroll down really to your subscription. It should be here. You should see whatever subscription you're subscribed to, and you just want to click on manage. When you click on manage, you're going to see billing information, you're going to see subscription, and then all you really have to do is click cancel subscription. And it's literally that easy, to be honest. You can even change the payment method if you want to change it. Just give them a reason why you're going to cancel. I'm going to put I do not need the subscription anymore. Then I'm going to click on cancel subscription. And there you go, you've now cancelled your subscription, but you are still going to get your subscription until the renewal date, and then after the renewal date you're not going to be billed anymore. So that's how you can cancel your subscription on Skype. I hope that helped you out, guys. If it did, make sure you leave a like, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.